Hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I'm J.A.M. and today we are going to be working on the last week of July, the first part of the week of, I should say, first part of the month of August. And I know, I don't know. First, we're going to start with a little unboxing, enveloping. These are from Proud Sticker Designs. And I picked these up when she was having a sale a week ago, I'm not really sure. If you've been hanging around my channel, not only do I like pirates, but I love ladybugs. I always do at least one ladybug spread every year. And I thought these are really fun. And I thought maybe I could use these for the week of my granddaughter's birthday, which is at the end of August. And we have some little date covers that are ladybugs. I have some black boxes here because I did not have any. And then I'm always looking for goal stickers. Today was for journaling. This month was, again, for journaling and crafting. So, very excited to have those. Those, again, were from Proud Sticker Designs. You can find her on Etsy. Pulling out some stickers and washi. We're kind of doing some dragons here. Just a few. This is my pen test. My favorite pens are, I don't know what they're called because these are Precise V5. I really like them. They're by Pilot. But I also have, and I have no idea, they just came off of Wish or Temu or something. I don't really know, but I don't know what these are called. But these are nice and fine tips, and I love them, and they flow really nice. But on this glossy paper, they do smear a little bit. Let's get started. I know that I have an appointment on Monday and Tuesday and Thursday. And I've already moved the papers, haven't I? Sorry, people. Sorry. This one off. I was thinking about putting a border. I think I could do it this way, but I just feeling like I should put it this way. But before I do that, I'm going to set it aside, and I am going to pull in a long box. And then I can put this, and it's going to just overlap a little. So I definitely needed the box on Monday. I need one on Tuesday. I need a checklist somewhere here. I don't know. Should we do it there? Let's make sure it goes down straight. Oh, that's a purple. Let's add another black box here. and add a dragon on top of this little thing. There we go. Yes, I got quiet. I'm going to have to fix that. What are we going to talk about today? What will we talk about today? I think I need to add one more box over here, even if it's just a small box. I know that I want to put this in for the weekend. And I want to add another little dragon on top of that one. And then we need a couple of boxes for Thursday and Friday. There, and we need a long one. Before I do that, I want to put this one here. There we go. This is totally not good. I don't know. I don't know those are going to work now. Let's see. I have another purple one, but I really needed that black one. Let's see if I can't. Well, there's 2 boxes on Friday, 2 boxes on Thursday. I don't really like that. I think I can disguise it though. Okay. I really need a to-do list. But I need it on Saturday. I do not think that these will come up, especially if I didn't de-stick it. But we're going to try. Ooh, it's coming out pretty good. And while I have him off, I'm just going to choose a different dragon. And there's a little bit of flour I can add in to kind of cover up. I am so missing my tweezers. They broke on me and haven't been able to replace them. I went to the dollar store today, but the dollar store didn't have any tweezers. I think that will work. Covers most of that rip. And we're not going to let this one go to waste. We're going to put him over here, so he's not flying in the air and he doesn't have a box to sit on. We're going to put some washi under him, if I can find the end of it. Let's add a little bit more down here. I don't know. I'm not used to having this many boxes on my page. It's a little overwhelming for me, honestly. Why did they roll it this way? Because it's upside down the way I want to do things. And I only know that it's upside down because there are little hearts in between the flowers. Okay, we will move this into a different direction, that's all. Different place. I feel like we need to add it to one. I feel like I need to add it up there, but it seems like it's full to me. Before I add it down here, I'm going to add another dragon in. I think that looks good there. I'm not sure what he's looking at, but I'm sure it will be good and yummy. I feel like we added it all across the bottom. We might as well finish and do this side as well. But I still feel like it needs something up here. Maybe I'll add it to the box. And yes, I do realize that is on Cricut, but I don't feel like correcting it. It's not that crooked. Let's see, maybe I'll put it, no, I'm going to put it inside the box. That looks pretty good. I think it's pretty balanced. It feels like it needs something, but because I have these two right next to each other to cover up, I'm thinking, no, I don't want to do that. I could add another small box, though, just to fill in the space. Or I do have a quote. You'll be seeing this quote in another video, too. So I'm not going to read it to you this time. Although you'll see this video before you see that one. I know it's me. My hands must shake because I cannot cut a straight line. To fill in that space a little, I'm going to put that there. I think we're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification button. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you liked these stickers, stick around to my monthly plan with me, and you will have more information on these stickers. Bye for now.